Welcome to class number 98. As I told last time, see, that is first explanation already over in class 96 when beams are subjected to couple. Second explanation started last class. It is continued now. Last class I told for the second explanation part 1. And today I am going for part 2. Some will start wondering what is part 1, part 2. Go back to earlier classes, study systematically. Not suddenly come and ask me what is part 1, part 2 like that. So therefore you should go systematically and then come here. See, part 2 is shortcut method for finding reactions. Too much I am not writing here. Heading, same questions I am considering. I have not rubbed the board from there. See, and remember, already in class number 97, by systematic approach, we got this answer. By sigma m0, sigma v0, we got the answer. I thoroughly explained. Okay, now, just a note, because same result we will get today also. Same result we will get any day, not only today. Okay, now, part 2, shortcut method. So you should extend further. Here space problem is there. What all I dictate, you should add it. Shortcut method for finding reactions normal to member. See, I told normal to member means if the member is like this way reaction. If a column, sometimes you get in the frames columns. If it is a column, see, this way reactions or reactions normal to member. For our course SFD BMD, beams you are considering, so vertical reactions. And remember, note, there are some conditions. Valid, that is the shortcut method is valid when beam is subjected to only couple or couples. Multiple couple will do, only couple or couples without any loading normal to member. That is very important. There should not be any load on the member. Suppose it is a load and couple combination, then we will not do this way. Traditional way we will do it. But as in some places, they may tell, no, I can do that one. How will you do it? I will consider once only loading, okay, then find the reactions, then I will consider only couple and find the reactions. See, he got trapped there. What you told? You consider only couples and find the reaction. That only I am explaining here. If only couples are there, how to find reaction? So I will tell, don't unnecessary comment unless you know thoroughly. See, yes, correct. That is not wrong. Loading will be separately considered. They will find the reactions. Then couples will be separately considered. Find the reaction. At that time, you can apply this one. Or when you apply this shortcut, there should be only couples. What all I tell, go through 10 times and write it if you want to correctly understand. Then, also note, this shortcut is find reactions normal to member when there are only 2 reactions. Remember, it should be only 2, not 1 reaction. You should write one thing. When there are only 2 reactions, normal to member, this 2 is compulsory. Or you should write, also remember, you should write one more thing, space not there. Not when there are only 2 reactions, there should be 2 reactions. Should be 2 reactions. Here space not there because I have got limited space here, so you add it here. In the same way, bold letters, you write not just only 2 reactions, there should be 2 reactions. If only 1 normal reaction is there, this is not applicable. Means valid for simply supported beam. Why? 2 normal reactions. Valid for later, valid for propped cantilever. Yes, there also 2 reactions are there. Also later valid for fixed beams. But not valid for cantilever. Because you should write that one. That I will tell once again in class number 99, where I will consider cantilever. I will explain once again. Cantilever, the shortcut method is not applicable. Their behavior is completely different. Okay. So remember, there should be 2 reactions and also only two reactions normal to member. Those who are serious and sincere, they will make all these notes in bold letters. Okay, now, see, let M be the net or resultant couple for the member. If only one couple is there, let M be the couple. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise, does not matter. I will explain. But if multiple couples are there, see, like our question here, or when you go to propped cantilever and fixed beam, then applied couple and reacting couples will be there, no problem. So, let M be the net or resultant couple for the member. This net couple, you have to get it. I will tell you how to get it. Net couple, you decide direction based. Nature will not, when you do, I told so many times, when you do support reactions, equilibrium, so nature is not considered, direction considered. How many times I have to tell? Okay, now, let M be net or resultant couple for the member. Okay, now, I will give you three options. Whichever option you can do, all are same. Option 1, what you do is, see, I will dictate here, you should write it. Those who want to thoroughly understand what I am dictating, you should write. Sketch the member. Sketch the member. I will put both pins. This I will further explain next time. Or sketch the member. Let L be length of member. Between support, very important. Or L be the length, or it is the distance, perpendicular distance between the two normal reactions. That is very important. So, when support is here, this L will be distance between the supports, span. If overhang is there, don't consider that L. Between support, what is the L? So, I will do one thing. I will take this as A and this as B, this as A and this is B. Okay. Now, net couple is M. M can be clockwise or M can be unclockwise. Suppose, imagine M is clockwise. M. Or you write here, first of all, if you understand, write here. Let M be clockwise or let M be anti-clockwise. What all I am dictating, you are right. M. See, you can write the couple whatever way you want. You can write this way, or you can write what? See, you can write this way also, clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can like this way, anyway. But I feel always better to write M this way. Later I will tell you why. This way is the best one. Because that will give you a crude method also. Let M be the couple. Now, there are reactions at the ends normal to member. So, see, mark the line of action of reactions. See, this way and this way. They are VA, I will put here now VA. This is VA and this is VB. Vertical reaction VB. Then, for equilibrium, this couple M is to be balanced by an opposite couple. If the applied couple is clockwise, a clockwise couple can be balanced only by another couple of same magnitude but opposite direction. So, if it is a clockwise couple, these two reactions, see, they are parallel to each other. And also, when there is no load for equilibrium, both reactions should be equal. See why? Suppose you make sigma V0, see, this reaction and this reaction, they should cancel each other. That also you are right. When there is no couple, the important principle is that the reactions will be equal for both the supports. Just a minute. Light problem. I will rectify the light. Okay. Okay, no problem. So, one more measure, you are right. See, quite simple. For equilibrium, net vertical force should be 0. Therefore, if one of them is upward, other should be downward. This is up, that is down. Or if this is down, that is up. That is only for couple, not for loading. For loading, when you apply, both will be upward. Now we are discussing only couple. All these points right here. So you wrote VA, VB. Here also, this is VA, this is VB, right here. Okay. Then, now you should know one thing. These two are two equal, unlike parallel forces. They will form a couple. They should form a balancing couple. So, if the couple is M, these two reactions should form a balancing couple of magnitude M only in opposite direction. If this couple is clockwise, these two reactions should produce or create an anti-clockwise couple of M. And remember, you should know that one. I will not write here. Two parallel forces separated by a distance and two parallel forces equal in magnitude but opposite in direction will form a couple. Moment of that couple equal to any one of the force into perpendicular distance. Means if I write this reaction VA, VB, moment of that resisting couple equal to either VA into L or VB into L, not VA into L plus VB into L. Engineering mechanics basic. You can make a small note if you want. See, if an upward force is there V, downward force V is there, V. Just note, if a distance between them is H, then the moment of the couple due to these forces will be V into H. See here, this way. It is V into H clockwise. Or, one more, just make a note. Suppose there is a V down here and V up here. If the distance between is H, now the moment of the couple equal to any one of the force, V into H anti-clockwise. Sometime you will ask a question in the class. Suppose they are not equal, what you will do? Which force you will consider? Some student will tell, sir, whichever lesser force. Then I will tell them, if they are not equal, it will not form a couple. The basic definition of a couple. Two equal, unlike parallel forces separated by a distance will form a couple. So, you should make one firm note here. Moment of a couple is any one of the force. See, any one of the force into distance between them is M. Therefore, your V will be equal to, what you can tell, M divided by H. Or, these two reactions, the magnitude of the reaction will be such that this V, either VA into L or VB into L should be equal to M. So, both reaction equal to M divided by L. Or, now remember, easy method. If only a couple is acting, if there are only two normal reactions for the beam, then both the normal reactions are equal in magnitude, opposite direction, both of them magnitude equal to that net couple M divided by the distance L or span L. M by L is the answer. One of them is up, one of them is down. Now, if this is clockwise, they should produce anti-clockwise. So therefore, to produce anti-clockwise, see, this should be upward, this should be downward. Crystal clear, see. If I hold here now, apply upward force, downward force here, then it will rotate this way, equilibrium. So, VA equal to M by L, VB also equal to M by L. No plus, no minus. In the shortcut method, no plus minus. Because you directly decide the direction. Okay, now, come here. I don't have to explain much here. Anti-clockwise couple M, net couple. Therefore, again, VB equal to that M by L. VA also should be equal to M by L. This is anti-clockwise. So, these two together, see, should form a clockwise couple. Okay, see, clockwise couple. See, you see here now. See, it will produce a clockwise couple of, now see, now the couple equal to M by L into L equal to M. This is your Option 1, what I wrote, write everything here. Now, I will go to option 2. Option 2 is much easier. See, I'll remove this one now. I'll go to option 2. Same thing. Let M be the net or resultant couple for the member. Member. What? Now I'll go for option 2. See, what to do? Right here. What all I am dictating right here. In option 2, what you do is, when there are two vertical reactions or two reactions normal to member and no other loading is there, only couples are there, then you sketch the member here. See, sketch the member here. I'll put both the sketches. Sketch the member here. Now, let M be the resultant couple. If there are multiple couples are there, I will tell you how to do it. Replace by single couple. So, let M be the couple. Write somewhere here this. See, write like always. Write like this. I will tell you why. See, do not write like this. If you write like this here, there is no problem. But later, when you go for here, there is no problem. SFD BMD, then I will tell you intermediate couple always don't like this. Writing this way, you get lot of your confusions removed by explanation given by me. Crystal clear, I will make it now. By just looking, you will tell is the BM plus or minus. So many places they tell when clockwise couple BMD jumps, anti-clockwise couple BMD drops. Complete wrong. That way statement is not there. BMD is neither jumping nor falling. It will remain there only. That's all. Not crude. Wrong statements. See, they will tell if clockwise couple is there, BMD will come this way. See, they will tell BMD jumps. Okay, it jumps here. If you come from that side, it drops. They only will tell you can come from any side. Then you have to by heart. From left to right, if you go, BMD jumps. From right to left, if you come, BMD drops. If a clockwise couple is there. If anti-clockwise couple is there. From left to right, if you go, BMD drops. From right to left, if you come, BMD jumps. One such all used, I don't want to call useless, completely what? Misguiding statement? No. I believe in correct statement. People who are telling that way, they may feel bad while listening. They will correct it. Okay, now, MM. See, write like this. But remember, still you can write like this, no problem. Then, as usual, A and B, A and B. Now, all explanation I am telling, write it. Then, see, all you require is, this is the reaction, this is the reaction. This is the reaction, this is the reaction. Okay, now, this is VA, direction, important is direction, VA, VB. Okay, now, see, now, second approach, what you have to do is, you simply, see now, hold the beam here, put on your two fingers, see, put on your two fingers, freely apply the couple. See, I am placing the pen on the fingers without any attachment. Later, attachment required, or it should be connected to support. Imagine first, see, simply like this. See, if I leave it, it will fall down. No problem. See, simply like this. Now, see correctly, I will tell only once. There is a limit for explaining. So you should go through again and again and practice. Those who are serious. See, I take two fingers here. Now, see, don't see this finger. These two fingers are my supports. See here now. Freely apply the couple this way. When you freely apply the couple, you can see one side beam will get lifted. Other side beam will press the support. Somebody on the road will tell the answer. If I apply a couple this way, if I ask a question in the class, offline class, all will answer. If I apply a couple this way, tell me whether left support will get lifted or right will get lifted. See, if I apply this way, undoubtedly left side support will get lifted. But support should not get lifted. So, left side support should get lifted. You stick to one concept, should get lifted. Prevent it. How? See, reaction means it is opposing the action. So this action is to lift the member at the left support. So prevent it by pushing it down. See? And then opposite here. That also correct. Why? See now. Left side, it will lift. To prevent lifting, see, reaction is opposite to action. It should come down. See, when you go this way, the support should pull it down. Other side, it will press the support, reaction comes up. Or simple language, see here, one side sufficient. You don't have to worry both sides. See simply where lifted. Where that lifting chance is there, lifting means what? Going up. Enter the reaction in reverse direction, down. Okay, now, over. Both are equal to couple divided by span, couple divided by span. L I forgot right here. Okay, no problem. L. Here, see here. Here. I will put the beam here. I will apply anti-clockwise couple. See. This way. If I apply anti-clockwise couple, see, that side support gets lifted. Therefore, that side support reaction is down, this support up, equal to M by L, equal to M by L. Oh, L forgotten? Okay, no problem. This is your option number 2. Clear now? Oh, sorry. Usual habit, usually. When I take live class, I usually ask in the comment, clear or not? Non-stop clear will come there. Okay. This is option 2. Now come to option 3. See, option 3 is, very sorry to tell, it's a crude method. I actually am against crude method. But when I take classes for engineering students who has got examination, I tell plenty of crude method because that's what they understand. If I tell real technical points, some will have difficulty. So crude method, very helpful. So I will tell for you also. Later, when I go for BMD to couple also, I will tell a crude method. I will tell for catch, something like that. So that concept in the class, I found people answer within no time. Why positive? They will say, sir, catch. But I will tell them, if you go to interview, don't tell these things. Suppose you go to interview and tell these things there, they may ask who told you, and you tell my name. And if that person knows me, if he's in Bangalore, every chance he'll be knowing me. Then he will tell, oh, KSN has lost his technical knowledge. He started crude method. So don't degrade me in front of them. So there you tell the correct reason. Examination use crude method. So only for making it easier for you, lastly, option 3. Option 3, you write here, this is a crude method, but very effective method. Rude but very effective method. See what I am going to tell now. Listen correctly. I will not write in my handwriting such crude statement. Even in the class, when I give crude method, I will not write it. I will tell you write in your handwriting. So tomorrow no one should see in my handwriting crude method. I take care. I always believe in technical teaching only. Okay, now option 3. Very, very simple. See, put the beam. Now you also will tell, sir, this is the best, sir. Why? No confusion. AB, AB. AB, AB. Okay. Length is L. I will write here. Length L. I forgot last time. I told let M be the net couple. Do one thing. M can be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. But this time, compulsorily, see, for option 1 and option 2, if clockwise, you can either write like this or you can mark it like this. No problem. It hardly matters. But for option 3, that is the crude method, you have to mark the couple this way or this way. See, clockwise means anywhere, somewhere inside mark. You don't have to mark, imagine. Pencil. You take pencil and mark here. See, M. You take your pencil and mark M this way. Now, very, very crude method. See, you should remember one thing. If only couple is there, if M is the net couple, both the reactions are equal and equal to M by L. That's all. Important is direction. See, now. See here, actually very crude. This is going. Where is the arrow? Sir, arrow is that side. That side, reaction arrow should come, and if I continue this arrow mark here, this arrow mark and reaction arrow mark should coincide. Oh, got it, sir. VB equal to M by L. Okay. And here, this is tail. If it is tail, here put the reaction so that, see, this is arrow here. Tail of this one should match with the tail. Student will tell, sir, this is the best, sir, they will tell. Why? Sir, no confusion. So, or here, see, if it is M this way, where is arrow? Sir, arrow is this side, sir. So, here, reaction arrow should come and meet the beam. VA equal to M by L. Here, what is there? Sir, this is a tail side. Then reaction, tail should be there, arrow should be other side. VB equal to M by L. Or, see, this way. This is the crude method. You do whatever you want. See, once I explain all this concept with the example now, and in class number 99, I will explain how to find reactions when only couples are there, and also when loading n couples are there. Then after class number 101, when I go to SFD BMD for combination solve, every class I will tell reactions you find. I do not want to waste space here for finding reaction. Someone will tell, no sir, so many are uploading the classes, there they show systematic reaction. Then go and see the class there only. You don't require my class. So much explained for you. You are lazy to see, go through all the classes. Suddenly want to come to a class, understand. My class is not for you. My class is meant for those who are serious and systematically studying. So, sorry, not this angry mood. That's how I will behave. 98 class number. Show me a place where SFD BMD, not 98, double, still halfway through now. Another nearly 100 classes are there. Total class will be surely around 200. Show me a place where 200 classes are uploaded. 200 class, entire civil engineering structures they will finish. One subject usually 30-40 classes I have seen. Okay, now all over here. Now I will come to, so, okay, everything is clear. Now I will come to our example. See correctly our example and finish the question now. See. Sorry for being harsh sometimes, but I become harsh sometimes when people ask questions without properly understanding by going through the class. If they don't understand when they come to the class, see, I told I have infinite patience. I have never scolded or got angry in my entire 38-39 years of teaching, even once when people give wrong answer. No, I never get angry. I have got infinite patience. But I get angry if they talk some other way, or if they tell I was absent to the class, then I will tell it is your problem. Okay, now start. That example 1, solution for example A. See here. First I will do one thing. I will put the beam once again to understand correctly. Put a pin here, put a pin here. Start. This is A, this is B. See now. Anti-clockwise couple of M1 20 kilonewton meter. Then clockwise couple here of M2 60 kilonewton meter. Little further. And here you can write whatever way you want. Anti-clockwise couple of M3. How much it is? 50 kilonewton meter. And lastly, clockwise couple here of 40 kilonewton meter. So first remember, make a note. Only couples and condition. 2 supports are there. And I told there should be 2 reactions, normal to member. Yes, every condition satisfied. So you can find reaction directly by shortcut. See, start. Solution. Briefly I will tell. Direct, you see, direct answer. Put here. I told direct answer. A, B. Direct answer, I write here, direct answer, but fully explained in the class. Fully explained in the class. In class. Start. Anti-clockwise 20, clockwise 60, anti-clockwise 50, clockwise 40, replaced by a net couple. Somebody on the road also will tell, if you tell him, don't anti-clockwise, clockwise, you tell profit loss, like that. You are all engineers. So, see, I write somewhere here, first of all, I should not write anti-clockwise 20 and anti-clockwise 50. These two are together anti-clockwise of 70. And clockwise 60 and clockwise 40 are total clockwise 100. See, if only one couple is there, this much difficulty is not there. Okay, now, anti-clockwise 70, clockwise 100 means, how much? It is 30 clockwise. Okay, therefore, the net couple is right this way so that it is useful for all the cases of 30 kilonewton meter is the net couple, clockwise, over. Now, that's all. Apply the first concept. This is clockwise. These two reactions together should form a couple this way. To form that way, this should be up, this should be down, is option number 1. How much equal to? This is VB equal to 30 VA. VA equal to, span is 10 meter, net couple is 30 divided by 10 equal to 3 kilonewton. See the answer there? 3 kilonewton. This also equal to 3 kilonewton only. 30 by 10 equal to 3 kilonewton. Option number 1. Okay. Option number 2. If I take the beam this way, apply the couple this way, undoubtedly the left side support is going to be lifted. So left side, to prevent lifting, down reaction required how much? 30 by 10 equal to 3. Right side up reaction 30 by 10 equal to 3. Not visible properly, that's why rewriting it. Just check, I'll check the board or camera. Should not go out of the camera. Okay, no problem. Correctly coming. Okay, now go to option number 3. By looking only you can make out. See, couple is this way, arrow is that side. So that side arrow should come to the beam. Tail is this side. Here, tail should be on the beam side. Of course, crude method. Therefore, by all the options, you got the same answer what you got last time. Okay, now, example number 2. Example A over example number B. I will finish this one now. Example B, I will write here now. Where this couple is, see, 80 anti-clockwise. This couple is 70 clockwise. This couple is 100 anti-clockwise. That couple is 35 clockwise. Okay, now, over. Direct answer. Net couple I want. Reaction, I will remove this one. I will remove everything now. Because why? We have to put once again fresh now. Okay. Start fresh. Start. Anti-clockwise 80 and anti-clockwise 100 will give you anti-clockwise of 180. And clockwise 70 and clockwise 35 will give you clockwise of 105. Anti-clockwise 180, clockwise 105 means net anti-clockwise of 75. Yesterday, by mistake, I forgot and took that 105. Then I corrected it. I told a print mistake. So, net couple is anti-clockwise of how much? 105 kilonewton meter is the net couple. Okay. Now, that's all. Go to option number 1, which is systematic approach. This is anti-clockwise couple. So, these two support reaction should create a clockwise couple. So to create a clockwise couple, you require upward reaction here, you require downward reaction here. This is VA equal to, this is VB equal to. Sorry, not 105. Again, same problem. See, I told same thing, 75. Same thing happened today also. Equal to 75 anti-clockwise. Okay, now okay. See now. See, yesterday same thing happened. I forgot second value. Such things can always happen, I told. Okay, now. How much answer? 75 divided by 10. Here also 75 divided by 10 equal to 7.5 kilonewton. This also equal to 7.5 kilonewton over. That is option 1. Okay, option 2. See option 2. Put the beam here. This time net couple is anti-clockwise. If you apply anti-clockwise couple, if you apply this way couple, see that support will get lifted. Where lifting will come, to prevent it, you require downward reaction. Okay, put downward reactions. How much? 75 by 10, 7.5. Here upward reaction, same 7.5. Or option 3, by looking only you can make out. Put the couple like this. Then arrow is this side. So this side is the arrow. So reaction arrow should come to the beam. See, on the beam, arrow is on the left side. So left side reaction arrow should come and touch the beam. These two arrows should meet. These two tails should meet. Here, that side tail is there. So reaction should have tail. Very sorry, very crude method. Those who want to know correct concept, don't listen to this last one. Don't tell anywhere. But those who find difficulty, use it. My ultimate purpose is to give knowledge, but with the clear understanding, and also for those who find difficulty, at least some hint so that they understand. There are people who find difficulty. So for them, their purpose, sometime I'll tell crude method. Okay, now this is fully clear. That is shortcut method for finding reaction when only couples are there and condition both side reaction should be there. Simply support beam valid, cantilever not valid, propped cantilever fixed beam valid. That is later when you study structural analysis. Okay, now we will go to class number 99. Very important class. It is the conclusion part for support reaction when couples are there, and also when couples are there with the loading. I will make everything clear on that day, so that class number 100, as I told you, a special class. So from class 101, I will start SFD BMD for beams with couples. From every class then onwards, for every question, support reaction, I will not write on the board like earlier. I may explain, dictate here. See, I may dictate here. But you should, if you are in front of me, you should tell, sir, not required. You taught us. Sufficient informations are given, so not required. We can do it. Okay. We will meet in class number 99 now, which is actually equally important as these two classes, because we are considering loading and couples both. Okay. Thank you.